Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Garena in the United States. First, you need to understand that Garena operates region-specific servers for many popular games, including Call of Duty Mobile. US players often want to access these for exclusive items or different competitive scenes. To do this, you will need to utilize a virtual private network, which helps you virtually relocate your device to another country. Garena implements geo-restrictions based on your IP address, which identifies your physical location to their servers. When you attempt to access their services from an unsupported region like the United States, you will be blocked. A virtual private network, or VPN, creates a secure, encrypted connection to a server located in a different country, like the Philippines or Singapore. This effectively masks your real IP address and provides you with one from your chosen server, allowing you to bypass these restrictions. When selecting a VPN, prioritize services known for their speed and reliability, especially those with numerous server locations across Southeast Asia. Good options often include ExpressVPN, NordVPN, or Surfshark, among others. After choosing and subscribing, download and install the VPN application on your mobile device or Android emulator. Before you proceed with any Garena-related steps, ensure your VPN is active and connected to a server in a supported region, like Singapore or the Philippines, for the best results. With your VPN firmly connected to a Garena-supported region, navigate to the official Garena website or download their mobile application. You will need to create a new Garena account using a valid email address. Complete all verification steps thoroughly. Once your account is active and you are logged in, search for Call of Duty Mobile within the Garena platform. You can then proceed to download and install the game directly through their client, ensuring you have ample storage space, usually several gigabytes, available.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.